Hey guys, wanna know how to complete your Steampunk Frontier missions in PUBG Mobile? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step process on how to do it fast and easy. So let's get right into it. Now, first off, simply open up your PUBG Mobile game and head towards the Events tab that is located right here, or in the Missions tab that is located right here. This would be your Steampunk Frontier missions in any one of these. So once you've found it, you'll see missions like Login, Classic Matches, Use Vehicles, or Team Up. Tap on each mission to read the exact requirement. For example, it could be login for 3 days, play 5 matches with friends, or eliminate 10 enemies using steampunk themed weapons. So one tip I would like to give is just simply head towards and play on Erangel mode. So select this map icon right here and then switch to steampunk mode. If you aren't, just simply click on this arrow icon and then select it. And once that is done, just simply select start. And that's it. Finish missions daily to unlock better rewards and complete the event faster. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.